You love cool gadgets, right? Of course, we all love cool gadgets. It's with us all the time when we are young to old. Today we are counting down the top 5 mind-blowing concept gadgets that might soon be available for you to purchase in the market. Moving on to number 1. If you commute to work with your bicycle, you're going to love this gadget. This is the Triumph Tracker GT electric bicycle. This e-bike lets you switch from traditional bike mode to one powered by a lockable lithium-ion battery. Consider yourself moving to work and want to change from the work mode to relaxing mode and keep the bike driving by itself. Moving on to number 2. We are all tired by the sea ocean plastic and everybody on internet is talking about it. Why not take a help from someone else? Help clean up the ocean when you get an autonomous underwater vehicle swimming drone by Draper and Sprout Studios. This AUV can find and pick up plastic microparticles that are invisible to the human eye. Moving on to number 3. You might be tired of your dog pooping around and you want to get rid of it, but you're not always on the garden and where your dog pooped you know of. So you won't have to scoop Fluffy's business from the yard anymore when you have the Beetle Robotics Autonomous Poop Scooper. This product concept automatically finds your dog's poop and it scoops it up and get it trashed. Moving on to number 4. If you're in love with traveling and run out of batteries every time, then obtain energy while backpacking with another of our mind-blowing concept gadgets, the North Face Sunup Solar Backup. The outside panels of this bag glean energy from the sun while you hike and charge the 4000 mAh battery in just 12 hours. Finally, moving on to the number 5. Have you ever been hit by a trolley by accident on any supermarket? Because this time the future is going to change by the Ford self-breaking shopping cart, which is one of our mind-blowing concept gadgets that helps you avoid grocery store accidents. That's because this trolley has a sensor that detects people and other obstacles while you are shopping, so you don't have to worry about hitting other people and other people hitting you back. If you like the top 5 list are of our concept gadgets, make sure to leave a comment below and what you think the upcoming products are going to be, and make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you up in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.